welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the health benefits of combining garlic and honey. Garlic, known for its flavor in savory dishes, offers numerous health benefits due to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It is low in calories but rich in nutrients such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. Garlic can help reduce the risk of conditions like atherosclerosis, heart disease, stroke, colds, and flu. It may also provide relief for bronchitis, asthma, stomach ulcers, parasites, hay fever, traveler's diarrhea, bug bites, and fungal infections. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds that have been found to inhibit certain types of cancer, including prostate and stomach cancer. Raw honey, on the other hand, is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and minerals. It contains iron, zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, selenium, as well as vitamins B6, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. These natural components in raw honey can help lower cholesterol levels, provide fuel for the body and mind, and aid in maintaining a healthy weight. It also has a healthy glycemic index, which promotes better digestion. When garlic and honey are combined, their antibacterial and antioxidant properties create a potent home remedy for boosting the immune system. To make a garlic-infused honey remedy, separate 3 or 4 garlic heads into individual cloves and place them in a small jar. Add 1 cup of raw honey, ensuring that the garlic cloves are completely covered. Allow the mixture to infuse for a few days, either at room temperature or in the refrigerator. For a daily immune system boost, take 1 spoonful of the garlic-infused honey in the morning on an empty stomach. The video suggests trying this regimen for 7 days, as it claims to provide increased energy and optimal health benefits. If you try this garlic and honey remedy, the video encourages viewers to share their experiences and the health benefits they may have observed during the 7-day challenge.